Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we're gonna make a very yummy and tasty recipe. But before starting the video, make sure to subscribe and like it.
Heat pan on medium to low flame. Firstly, add keema half kg. Ginger 1 teaspoon. Garlic 1 teaspoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Potato 1 medium, cut in pieces. Water 1 glass. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 20 minutes on low to medium flame. After 25 minutes, uncover. Mash. Let it cool. Add crushed green chili, coriander and mint leaves a half cup. Crushed onion small. Take a slice, soak with water for tablespoon. Crush and mix in keema. Mix with hands. Take out from pan. Make kababs. Heat oil on medium flame. First dip kabab in egg, then coat with breadcrumbs. Deep fry until brown color appear. Dish out. Wow!
Yummy.
Like, share, and subscribe.